This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today I am going to make macaroni in white sauce. Actually this is a very simple recipe, but many people have been requesting me for the recipe. So today I am going to show you how to make my macaroni in white sauce. For this dish I am using 1 capsicum and a half a cup of coriander leaves. I am going to finely chop the capsicum. And the coriander leaves. I am also going to grate 4 cubes of processed cheese. To prepare the macaroni, I am going to boil 2 liters of water along with 2 tablespoons of salt and about 2 tablespoons of oil. I am going to put the macaroni in now and cook it till it becomes soft but still has this slightly chewy texture. For the white sauce, I am going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to it and mix it till there are no lumps. To this I am going to add 1 liter of milk little by little. To this I am going to add half a teaspoon of salt and about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. I am going to mix this in well. Wait for the sauce to thicken. And I am going to switch off the heat. Now I am going to mix in the cheese. For the final dish, I am going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the capsicum. Half a teaspoon of salt and pepper and stir fry it till the water dries. I am going to add 1 cup of boiled corn kernels. Stir fry it a bit and add the white sauce to it. I am going to heat this a bit before adding the macaroni. I am going to top this with the coriander. And our macaroni in white sauce is ready. So that was my macaroni in white sauce. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you like the video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.